Hello, I'm Yohana. Today I'm going to explain about tsunami explanation text, and this explanation text will consist of general statement, explanation, and also closing. Okay, now I will proceed. First, the general statement. Tsunamis, which in Japan su is port and nami is waves, literally means a huge wave in the port. Is the transfer of bodies of water caused by changes in sea level vertically with suddenly. Changes in sea level can be caused by an earthquake centered beneath the sea, undersea volcanic eruption, submarine landslides, materializing, or at sea. In this paragraph, it's explained about the origins of the tsunami names, which is the tsunami name is coming from Japan, and also this explains the general statement about what is tsunami, which is changes in sea level that can be caused by an earthquake centered beneath the sea and other else. Okay, now I will proceed to the explanation. Tsunami waves can propagate in all directions. The energy is reflected in tsunami waves are fixed again the function of altitude and velocity. In the deep sea, a tsunami wave can propagate with a speed of 500 to 1000 kilometers per hour, equivalent to the speed of the aircraft. The height of the waves in the sea is in only about 1 meter, thus the pace of the surge was not felt by the ship that was in the middle of the sea. Okay, in this paragraph, it's explained about the height of the tsunami and also the speed of the tsunami, which is the speed can be 500 until 1000 kilometers per hour, and it will be increased with the longer distance of tsunami, and also the height will be grow much higher if the tsunami is moving much more faster towards the land. Okay, now going to the next page. Still explanation. When approaching the coast, its speed decreases to tsunami waves of about 30 kilometers per hour, but typically have already risen to tens of meters. Tsunami wave can go in lasing up to tens of kilometers from the shore. The damage and casualties that occur due to the tsunami can be caused due to lasing the water or material to be carried away by the flow of tsunami waves. The negative impact arising from the tsunami is destructive to what took place. Buildings, vegetation, and resulting in human casualties and causing inundations, saltwater pollution of agricultural land and water. Okay, this is explained about what happens if the tsunami hits the land. If the tsunami hit the land, it will cause a major damage due to the rising wave of the tsunami, which can be grown much higher if it's already near the land. It can destroy many building materials and also destroy the vegetation land and also causing a human casualties and many more. So it's very destructive power combined with the speed and also the height of the tsunami. Okay, I will go to the next page. Still explanation. Historian of Greece named Thucydides was the first to relate tsunami earthquake under the sea. But until the 20th century, the knowledge about the causes of tsunamis is still very minimal. Research is still being done to understand the causes of tsunamis geology, geography, and oceanography, in the past calling tsunami as seismic sea waves. Some meteorological conditions such as tropical storms can cause surge of storm is called major tsunami height of several meters above normal sea waves. Okay, this explain about discoverer named Thucydides that discovered about a tsunami earthquake under the sea. But and also this in the next paragraph, the tsunami wave that also cannot be caused is not only caused by an earthquake but can be caused by a meteor that land on the sea, which can cause a large wave that moving towards land. Okay, now is the closing. When the storm reaches the mainland, its shape can resemble a tsunami, even though it isn't really a tsunami. The surf could inundate the land. The storm surge never inundated the Burma, Myanmar in May 2008. The area around the Pacific Ocean have the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center, which issued a warning if there is a threat of a tsunami in the region. The area around the Indian Ocean were building Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System, which will be based in Indonesia. Historical evidence shows that a mega tsunami may occur, which caused some of the island could be submerged. In the last paragraph, it's explained about there is a warning center called Pacific Tsunami Warning Center that will issue a warning if there is a threat of tsunami in the region. And around Indian Ocean, there also Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System that is based on Indonesia. That also issued a warning about tsunami if there's a tsunami will occur. Okay, that's it for my explanation about tsunami explanation text. Thank you for listening. Good night.